With Jibbyfemforte, you don't have to struggle with your footwear pattern design. Now, my name is Utirole Mochibola and I am your shoemaking made easy tutor. If you're watching for the first time, all we do is make shoemaking easy and simple for you. In my previous tutorial, I taught how to create this beautiful double bow design, and today we're going to be transforming it into what you have in the green and black design. I'm sure you want to know how this is done. I need you to stop there. Go ahead and click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed, and make sure you click the notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you will be notified. I need you to sit back and I'm gonna be right back. Another thing I hear a lot of people ask me when it comes to the children mastery classes, how do I get all the tools? Nah, you don't have to have all the tools. I didn't start my shoemaking journey having all the tools. The first thing I did was acquire the skill. The passion for what I learned was what propelled every other thing that I needed. I was very consistent. I keep practicing even when I don't have all the materials. How do you practice, madam? You say you don't have material. When it comes to pattern cutting, I take it like my whole life depends on it, and that has really built my pattern cutting skill. So I need you to know that this is not about what you don't have. It is about you acquiring the skill and beginning to navigate the funds that come into your hands into that knowledge you acquire. I'm still your shoemaking made easy tutor. Don't miss that class. Children's school shoes, heels and wedges, sandals. All right, the first thing you want to do is the previous open toe design that we created. I'm going to transfer it onto this plain sheet. So if you haven't seen that particular video tutorial, I'm going to encourage you, after watching this, go ahead and check it out. With that, you will be able to meet up with what I'm trying to show us right here. So take your time to create perfectly well. Now, as regards the mastery class, I need you to know that what we basically do at Jibbyfemforte is make shoemaking easy for you. We ignite your passion for creativity, and with that you can build new stream of income. You can actually reduce your family expenses on footwear as well. So what I want to do is I want to transfer the pattern, the two sides, because I need two of it to be able to create the design as you can see on the screen. So I'm going to repeat it again on that other side. So like I said, I don't want you to miss the class. Even if you're a beginner, you have not learned shoemaking before, I want you to know that you can join us. Now, the class is starting October 15, 2024. So if you're watching this video after that time, it means the class must have ended, but I'm sure you can still have access to the course again. Yes, you can still have access to the class. So you can send us a WhatsApp message using the number on the screen, or you check the description of this video because you will find the number, of course, and our Facebook links are also there. So what you want to do is you first of all want to trim all of this off. Don't forget that in my previous tutorial, I taught how to create this open toe design. So when I saw this design, I was so excited. I said, let me use it to create, the new design. I need you to know that you don't have to have an idea of everything. So what I'm doing here is I'm trying to navigate, as you can see the screen. I'm trying to navigate exactly where that overlap is on top of the shoe last. I didn't try to use eye gauge. So I took it away from the center of the shoe last. I took it away from the center of the shoe last on the lower part, about 1.5 centimeter away from the center of the shoe last. Now when I mark this toe part, I found out that it was not as long as what I wanted. So that's why I took another part. I'm just trying to straighten it, at this point. So you want to also check, okay, considering the design, where is it stopping? So with that, you will be able to know what to do. So I'm trying to draw the inner part of the design. So what we're going to do next is we're going to be transferring it into another one. Now this is a tracing wheel. I remember I was asking us some time ago what this is a tracing wheel, and you can use it to trace that part of the design into another one. So all those dotted lines that will be created, you can trace it out to create what you want. So it's already showing on top of that. So I'm just going to use my ruler to connect it, you understand, and just cut it out. So instead of you trying to use your pen or pencil to imprint on the other paper, you just wheel it alongside that particular part you want to cut, you understand. So with this is what I have. So I'm going to cut one, this one will be the one under, and that one will be on top right there. Okay, we are already having our design. Oh, so it means in 5 minutes you actually can create this. If you haven't liked this video, you are very wrong. How can you watch this sweet video and you have not liked it? Like I said, I don't want you to miss the children footwear class. If you are new on my channel, all we do is make shoemaking easy and simple for you. Don't miss the class. I'm just encouraging you not to miss it because of all that are planned to actually teach in that class. So we're not just going to be teaching palm sandals, we're going to be teaching school sandals as well as the Cortina school shoe design for boys and for girls. Yes, you know it, Cortina is unisex, but there's a way you can make it that both girls and boys can wear it. And there's a way it will look like it's just for girls, but on the normal circumstances it's for boys and girls. So we're going to also be learning that wedges heels as well. So I don't want you to miss it for anything. The class is 10,000 naira, and like I said, it's starting October 15th. I'm still going to see you next time. Bye.